There would be no edits in this video, there will be no cuts, so my reaction would be completely raw and completely real. So a couple of months ago, Dave Chappelle dropped the special, The Unstoppable, and well, I'll just be totally biased. Dave is one of my favorite comics of all time, and there have been discussions whether Dave Chappelle is the GOAT or Richard Pryor is the GOAT. And Kevin Hart already said that Dave Chappelle is the GOAT of comedy, and he has surpassed Richard Pryor. But for me, it was this special that proved that no one could ever come close to Dave Chappelle. And the reason for that, okay, first of all, it was a 360-degree stadium. So the stage was a 360-degree stage. So number one, to cater an audience, like if you're performing in a 360-degree auditorium, at one point of time you're only covering like 1/3 of the audience. Only 1/3 of the audience is catching your view. So to engage an audience for like 1 hour on a 360-degree view, it's almost impossible, but Dave did it with ease. And like you would say that Dave Chappelle is a storyteller or a philosopher, but he is not. He is a stand-up artist. The special will begin with like Dave will just come and start bombarding jokes on you, and so that because you are in for a comedy, right? So you would have some laugh with him and everything. And then Dave would quickly move on to address that issue of him performing at the Riyadh Comedy Festival. I mean, there were a lot of conversations, and almost like 20% of comedians, so like 20% of comedians around the world like hated every single person who performed there. Dave was one of the headliners. Bill Maher targeted him, and Dave handled it with ease. Like, one of the best thing about Dave Chappelle is he never runs from the issue, or he never takes it lightly. He makes sure that he gives a proper answer to it, and that's what he did in this special. However, this was all in the first 20 minutes. Some jokes, some lifestyle, some like his like there is always a trans joke in a Dave Chappelle special, so there is one of those two. And but the main part of this special was the 50-minute it was like 40-minute story about Jack Johnson, which he did in the end. So I think if you are a stand-up comedian, sorry for that, and I think if you're a stand-up comedian, being comfortable on the stage is the major part of it. And Dave grabbed the attention of audience for 40 straight minutes. Even if you're unaware of what's going on in America, even if you're unaware of anything, even if you're unaware of everything, Dave would tell you the story in a way that you would know each and every bit of it. And that's what a great performer is. It's not that he's telling a story that will grab you, he is performing it. Like with his voice modulations, with his choice of words and everything, with his expressions. And he makes sure all the time that this is a comedy special. So he puts in punchlines at multiple occasions so that you are, grabbed, your attention is totally grabbed, and you are laughing to it. So I won't tell you anything about that story. I won't tell you anything that happens in this special. I would simply say that at one point of time, there will be a moment that this special turns into this, emotional roller coaster. And the thing is that on a 360-degree stage, Dave would grab you. You can see all the emotions, but you would be feeling it internally. Like, I don't know how to explain this, but there are some comedy special which would change you. It won't, it won't like change you in a way that you would start thinking differently, but it would change your mood. So The Unstoppable is one such special, I would say. And another thing I would like to add about this special is that there are multiple callbacks, and there are some harsh truth of the society that Dave has just said it without any remorse or anything. He has targeted a few people very openly, and he has also addressed the issue of and he has also made sure that people know where he stands with Israel and Palestine conflict. So yeah, but I have to say that this is still a comedy special. You would laugh on it. So I think it's a must watch.